Wholesale2B overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Wholesale2B.com, which is an online platform that facilitates dropshipping services for businesses. It offers a wide range of products from various suppliers to be sold through online stores without holding inventory. The platform handles order processing, shipping, and inventory management, making it easier for entrepreneurs to start and manage their e-commerce ventures. Wholesale2B.com streamlines the dropshipping process, providing a convenient and efficient solution for businesses to connect with suppliers and expand their product offerings. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. We have here YS section and the services section. As you can see, their dropship services, their dropship plans. As you can see, they have products, pricing, and help. They also, here you can see the login button if you already have an account in the platform, and join if you want to start a new account. So before we hit join, let's go first and browse through the pricing plans. So as you can see here, there are features included with all dropship plans. There are three plans. The one for $38 per month. As you can see, import to your existing store. They have the $38 per month also. Import to marketplaces. And the $50 one, we create a store for you, where you can create a store from the same platform, as you can see, and every plan has its own features and benefits. So let's start our join in and register for free. So you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and enter a secure password. So as you can see, it's a free sign up, no credit card required. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So this is the dashboard of the platform after signing up. As you can see, they also have a starter plan for $10 a month if you want to start with it, or if you don't want, they have other plans in the platform. Let's go back to our dashboard. So this is the dashboard. So this is the total of products they have in the platform, the products for Amazon, their reviews, trending, price drops, and the free shipping. So this is the products that are trending right now, as you can see. And this is the today's top product picks for you that they suggest for you. So as you can see, this is where you can find products if you are looking for products for your dropshipping business. So you click find products, and here you can browse through various products. As you can see, you can filter by trending, new items, free shipping, price drops. You can search by keywords or supplier, winning products, product type, prices, and ship from. So you can scroll down and see the products, and when you like something, you just list it or add to your cart. But to do those two, you need to activate a dropship plan to unlock them. So it's not available now in the free plan. So those are the products that are listed in the platform. So this is for the products, and here you can see your profile, your credit card, if you want to change your password, your preferences, your order history, billing history, and your subscriptions. And if you want to sign out from the platform, Here you can see your notifications, your messages, and your orders if you have a new orders, pending orders, processed orders, shipped orders, or cancelled orders. Here you have your income, your wallet, and your cart. And here we have your supplier directory and UK portal now available. If you want to add a dropship plan or a website plan, your resources, as you can see, most of them is closed because we didn't purchase a plan, as you can see. So let's go back, let's sign out from the platform. Let's go back to the main page. Doesn't even want to work, so I guess we need to do this. And let's scroll down. So scroll down to the bottom of the website, as you can see, and in the Wholesale2B section, the second line, you will find become an affiliate partner. So you can just click become an affiliate partner and you can make money from this partnership. So as you can see, earn money every month by referring our dropshipping services on your social networks or by adding a banner to your website. So you can just refer your friends or your followers from every purchase of the plans of this platform. So to become an affiliate, you click here. If you are already an affiliate, you just log in from here. But let's become an affiliate. So we click become an affiliate. Then we have the affiliate sign up, refer Wholesale2B and get paid, earn recurring commissions each month with our affiliate program. So you will receive a recurring monthly deposit of 30% from the amount paid by the people you refer. For example, if you send us 500 signups with an average monthly fee of $40, you will earn a total of 5,000 in commission each month. So you enter your first name, your last name, your email address, password, you confirm your password, and you give them your phone number, your PayPal ID, and your website. Then you hit register now, and your affiliate account will be created, and they will give you a link that you will post in your social media or in your website or your blog, and everyone clicks that link and proceeds to buy a plan from this website or platform, you will get paid 30% from the amount that was paid by that person you referred. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.